Today, we're going to do a pattern roundup of free love song inspired crochet patterns. Valentine's Day is coming, and I thought it would be fun to do a love themed crochet pattern roundup, but with a little twist. And I love love songs, I love listening to music, so I thought it'd be really fun to do a little pairing of love songs with free crochet patterns. So I actually made a Spotify playlist that goes along with this pattern roundup, which I will link in the description box below if you're looking for something to listen to perhaps as you're crocheting. This is going to have 13 love songs paired with their free crochet patterns. I also have a link in the description box below to a website where you can see all 13 of the patterns all in one place. The website is called Stitch Haven. I actually built the website myself. It's a tool for pattern organization and project tracking. So if you want to take a look at that, check it out on the description box below. You'll be able to see almost like a board, like a Pinterest board of all 13 of the patterns with their songs all in one place. So check those out if you're interested. But with that, let's dive in. So first off, we have Listen to Your Heart, Crochet Applique, and this is from Golden Lucy Crafts. Listen to Your Heart by Roxette is the matching song. Of course, it's perfect. The pattern name actually has the song name basically in it. So how more perfect can you get? Listen to Your Heart. It's a good banger to get us started. Kind of a power ballad, super energetic. And this pattern is just so cute. I love the smile with the headphones, listening to music, listen to your heart, and also the like wavy line for like the sounds. It's just so perfect to get us started. Next up, we have Crochet Love Letter by Raffamusa Designs. And this one goes with Signed, Sealed, Delivered, I'm Yours by Stevie Wonder. What a classic love song. Also fun and energetic. And look at this adorable matching pattern with the love letter. It's got the heart. It's got the I love you. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. It is perfect. Next up, number 3, we have this Book Lover Bookmark. This is by But First We Crochet. And this one is going to match with Taylor Swift's Love Story, because of course we need to have some Taylor Swift in our love song inspired pattern roundup. So Love Story, we have this adorable amigurumi bookmark. That's actually a book with its own bookmark with a heart on it, and the whole thing itself serves as a bookmark. So it's just perfect for a love story, and you could use it as a bookmark. It's functional. It's also just a cute little amigurumi guy with his little smiling face. Perfect for Taylor Swift and love story. Next up, we've got this heart stitch crochet infinity scarf. This one is from Whistle and Ivy, and this one pairs with Endless Love by Lionel Richie and Diana Ross. How perfect. Endless Love, an infinity scarf. Perfect with these adorable little hearts on it. It's kind of subtle. I actually love this scarf because it's like totally functional. You know, you can wear it as a scarf, and it's got these hearts, but they're not like super obvious. It's sort of the way that the pattern is. They're sort of like made into the scarf, and it just like has a really cool look without being too cutesy or too kind of heart-like. I feel like you could just wear this all the time, not just like on Valentine's Day. Endless Love Infinity Scarf. Next, we have this Valentine's Day wreath. This is made by Repeat Crafter Me is her name. And this one we are going to pair with Let My Love Open the Door by Pete Townsend. I think this one's a really cute match. Let my love open the door for a door wreath. that has the word love on it with all the hearts. I just think it's so perfect. Again, a nice, like, energetic song to listen to as we're crocheting or anything else. I love the look of this wreath. It's fun to have seasonal decor, I guess, to like put a different wreath out as the months change. And now that it's February, we could make this wreath and put it out with the love and the hearts. And it just pairs so perfectly with the song. I just love it so much. Next up, we have these mini 3D heart balloons. This one is from Serendipity Designs, and we're pairing this one with Your Love Keeps Lifting Me Higher and Higher by Jackie Wilson. Get it? You know, we've got love and hearts and they're balloons, so they're lifting us up higher and higher. I just love the colors of these balloons. They're very simple, good to maybe make your way through some of your yarn scraps that you have in various colors. This would be a really quick one, just make some hearts, and it matches perfectly with our love lifting us up higher and higher. Next up, You Stole a Pizza My Heart. Get it? Pizza, piece of my heart by Golden Lucy Crafts. And we're going to pair this one with That's Amore from Dean Martin. This one's kind of like a fun pick in the middle here. We've got pizza hearts. You know the song, When the Moon Hits Your Eye Like a Big Pizza Pie. That's Amore. That's love. Perfect for like a pizza lover in your life, perhaps. My husband, of course, loves pizza. Maybe I should make this for him. Pizza, heart, love, pizza, my heart, adorable. Super fun. This fun little pick in the middle with That's Amore. It's kind of a goofy song. I love it. Next up, we've got Over the Moon by Octopus Crochet. And we're going to pair this one with Fly Me to the Moon by Frank Sinatra. Classic love song. We've got Flying to the Moon. We've got some stars on it. Kind of a sweet, simple pattern, not too, bright red and pink, obvious Valentine's, anything like that, but it is a nice, just an adorable moon, perhaps for a baby, for a nursery, as an ornament, just super cute. Next, we have The Little House Where Love Lives. This is from the designer named Maria Ufimtseva. I'm sure I'm not pronouncing that correctly. This pattern is on Ravelry, so definitely do check it out for yourself. And we're pairing this one with Love Shack by the B-52s. Ugh, I'm loving all of these songs. So many good, energetic, fun love songs. Love Shack, we've got a little house. It's pink and white. There's hearts. It's super cute. I just love crochet houses. I think they're so cool looking. They all look like so intricate, but I don't actually think they're all that hard to make. And there's a number of free patterns out there, and this one is no exception. It just looks so cute for a little Valentine's Day house, our Love Shack. Definitely check this one out. Next, we've got the Kiss Me newborn hat. This is by Loopsy Crochet Patterns, and we're going to pair this one with Kiss Me by Sixpence None the Richer. Again, perfect. We've literally have Kiss Me on the Hershey's Kiss, and the song is called Kiss Me, so it's perfect. And this is actually a hat. I know it's kind of hard to tell from the picture. It looks just like a Hershey's Kiss with the little wrapper that says Kiss Me, but it's actually a newborn hat, so you could actually like put this on a newborn for like a photo shoot. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love this one so much. Kiss Me. Next up, we've got these adorable lovebirds. This one's by Hello Yellow Yarn. And this we're going to pair with Just the Two of Us by Bill Withers and Grover Washington Jr. So a fun throwback. Lovebirds, just the two of us, you and I. We have these very sweet lovebirds leaning into each other. Very romantic. Next, we have this photo camera from Elisa's Crochet, and this one we're gonna pair with Photograph by Ed Sheeran. We had our Taylor Swift earlier. Now we have to have our Ed Sheeran. We had to have a couple more like modern songs among a lot of these older songs. So, Ed Sheeran, gotta love him. And Photograph is just such a sweet, sweet love song. And this camera is just perfect. It looks really, really fun. The purple, very realistic, kind of a fun, realistic looking amigurumi. Only one left. Last up, but certainly not least, we have these Elephants in Love. And this is by Hooked by Katie. And for our grand finale here, we're going to pair this with the Elephant Love Medley from Moulin Rouge. Definitely listen to this one if you haven't seen Moulin Rouge or don't know this song. I think of this really like our grand finale, just like fireworks. At the end of the fireworks, you have the grand finale with a little bit of everything. The Elephant Love Medley from Moulin Rouge samples a bunch of different love songs, and I personally love the movie Moulin Rouge. It's a wonderful, tragic, beautiful love story and a musical, and I just love the songs in it. So we're going to have this one as our grand finale, Elephants. Adorable, adorable pattern that the two elephants together make the heart. So there we have it, 13 free crochet patterns. This was fun because they're not, in the past I've done more like amigurumi type pattern roundups only, but this one was fun to throw in some other things that aren't just amigurumi, although of course we do have plenty of amigurumi in here. And it was so fun to put together the matching Spotify playlist. I've been listening to these songs and I'm going to keep listening through February and beyond maybe. I do love me some love songs. So do again, check out the Spotify playlist if you want in the description box below to listen along and check out the entire collection on Stitch Haven. All of the patterns are also linked in the description box below if you want to just go directly to your favorite. Let me know in the comments which of these love songs is your favorite, or do you have another favorite love song that I did not hit in this playlist, and can you think of what a matching pattern for it might be? This was super fun. Definitely stay tuned in the future for more pattern roundups. I have so much fun putting these together and I have so many more ideas. So certainly stay tuned for that. Have a very happy Valentine's Day. And I think that's it for today. So thank you so much for keeping me company, and I'll see you next time. Bye.